YINN ETF or YINN stock. Is it a buy or now? Let's see, where is it going next? From what I can see, we're actually starting to see some bullish moves. You know, since the last time I made a video, I don't see I've saw this 2-hour 10% increase candle. Doesn't matter, it's 30% down on Tuesday, and it's quite a lot. The only time that I'm gonna continue and double down on YINN ETF, only if it really gives me that bullish momentum. And yeah, beforehand, there definitely was. Out of nowhere, we just fell down, and it would only make sense for me to buy. Because again, I'm also sticking to a strategy that I've tested for 4 years. You know, so if there is a double break, then I'll pull the trigger. Let me know what is your opinion. If you want to make more money by taking less trades, click the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars. It's a free course. And if you have any questions, just feel free and jot them down in the comment section. No matter what it is, like whatever small it is, that's it.